How to customize Landbot Chatbot. So first go to your account and then just click on Bot Builder and then open up one of your bots. Next is just click on Design here at the top. Now this is where you can design your bot or customize it. So now this is what my bot looks like right now. So in order for you to change that, you can just select one of the options here, and then if you want to use the design templates here, you can just click on this one, and then you can just choose any of the templates here. And then if you want this, you can just click on apply and then just click on OK. And there you go. Now if you want to change the general things, the font and the background, you can just change it with here. Then as for the font, you can just select any of the font here. There are a lot here. And then if you want to change the layout, this ones, you can just change the layout text here, the icon here as well, this ones. And then as for the chat, this ones, you can just select any of the, if you don't want something like this, you can just make it square. As you can see, you can do it like this as well. Just select any of here. If you want to change this profile here to robot, you can just do that as well. So just play around with this, and if you're happy with this, you can just click on apply again. So if you want a chat as well, if you know how to custom code, you can just click on this one and then type in your code here, okay, and then just click on apply. So that's it. You can just play around with this, customize it however you want, and you're done. So just click on publish, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.